Hello, Francesca Duffy, Spanish tutor for DDLETB Education and Training Board. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Qué tal? Again, start always with our greeting, but today, to take a little break from the verb ser, from the verb to be, I've just given you here a few more answers to the question ¿Cómo estás? or ¿Qué tal? I've just written here the question ¿Cómo estás? And a few different answers, a few options. The first one you already know, muy bien, very well. Bastante bien is the next one. It means quite well or well enough. Bastante bien. Bien, well. No muy bien and muy mal, very bad. No muy bien, not very well. Muy bien, bastante bien, bien, no muy bien, and muy mal. Also today we are going to do some vocabulary starting with the números. Now you remember this page with the numbers and days of the week, la semana, and the meses. Now, in case you don't have it handy, I've just written the numbers here. And what I'm going to do is I am going to read them aloud for you, and if maybe you want to try and repeat them after me. I'm just going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now here, 11, 12, if you remember maybe a dozen. And here now, 13, 14. Now this one, remember the Q is always followed by a silent U, so this will be read 15. Remember, like a key. 15. Now this one a little bit harder now, the next one. 16. 17. 18, 19. Just gonna repeat those once again. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now what I have done with these 4, 16, 17, 18 and 19, I have just written them down here again, and I've just breaking down, and that will be maybe a little bit easier. If you break the word 16, 16, into 3 words, 10 and 6. 10 y 6. 10 y 7, 10 and 7. 10 y 8, 10 and 8. 10 y 9, 10 and 9. Now, if you have a look at the page, 20. After that, they're all one word, 21, 22, and so forth, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and then we come to the top of the page, 30. Now, after 30, 30 and 1 are 3 words, 31, and 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40. If you have your page, you will see there 40. And you do the same, 41, 42, until 50, which is read 50. Now 60, it is read 60. 70, 70. So it's only one letter difference. So 60 is 60 and 70 is 70. Now 80, 80, 90, 90, and I'm only going to go as far as 100, which is 100. So I am just going to start with 20 and give you again 30, 40 and so forth. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. 100, that word 100 only happens when it's just 100, because after that it becomes 101, 102, but that is for another day. Now, if you have the page in front of you, what I am going to do is I am going to read you as well the days of the, I just show you days of the week. I'm just going to leave it there in case you don't have it, you don't have the page, and I'm going to start by reading the days of the week. Always starts with a Monday in Spanish, and as you can see, they are all in a small letter, so this is not a mistake. They don't start with capital letters. So I'm going to start with the first day of the week. La semana is the week. So we have Monday first. Always start with Monday in Spanish, in Spanish calendar, sorry. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, there is a letter J, very aspire H, jueves. The letter V is read like a B. Viernes, sábado, and domingo. I hope you can all see that. Now I'm just going to go over the meses, starting with enero, January, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto. Now, September, you will see a P in brackets in the middle. That means that whichever is easier for you, you can use the P or you may decide not to use it. So you can say septiembre or septiembre. Octubre, noviembre, diciembre. So I'm just going to go over then again, starting from the top. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. And the meses, los meses, enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre o septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Now, just to finish a little bit of practice for you, I am going to give you a número de teléfono, phone number, and I'm not going to do it too slow. Maybe you can try and write it down, and I will write it then for you in the board afterwards, just here at the bottom. Okay. Are you ready? ¿Preparados? 948-365-501. Did you get it? I'm going to repeat it for you. Repito. 948-365-501. So, this is the number. 948-365-501. Don't know if you got it. I'm just going to read it for you. 948-365-501. And a little bit faster. 948-365-501. Okay, that's what's going to be all for today. Hopefully you practice on those numbers. Vale. Hasta luego.